If you want to use Flux AI for free without any installations or complicated setups, it's easy. You can access it directly through a website at no cost. Let me show you how. If you want to generate images like the one I showed in my video, follow this tutorial. I'm using an AI tool called Flux AI Image, which is an incredible tool with features like text-to-image, image-to-image, and more. In this video, I'll show you how to generate an image from text. After clicking on Try Flux for free, you'll need to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the interface of the Flux image generator. It offers several features like realistic, anime, and others. In this tutorial, I'll be selecting the realistic option. Next, in the prompt section, we'll use an image as a reference. I'll select an image for reference and then write my prompt. Create an image of a girl in a red dress with long black hair in a beautiful garden full of flowers. After that, you should select the image size and decide how many images you want to generate at a time. Once everything is set, click Generate, and after a short wait, your images will be ready. Take a look at the result. It's incredibly realistic. The tool has many additional features, such as downloading, editing, background removal, and more. Let's dive into some of these features. First, we'll use the In-Painting tool. After clicking In Paint, select the area you want to modify. For example, I'll change the girl's hair color to red. Simply highlight her hair, write the prompt, and click Submit. In just a few seconds, the changes appear. Wow, it's amazing. Next, we'll explore the background removal feature. After clicking Remove Background, give it a moment, and the background will be completely removed. Finally, let's experiment with the color changing feature. Type any color into the prompt section. For instance, I'll type green. After a short wait, the image's color changes, and now the girl's dress is green. Isn't that amazing?